week with the Nifty going home with a cut of around 300 points, 1,000 points eroded from the Sensex, and the Nifty Bank was the key underperformer today, down about 2 percentage points. Apart from that, the mid-cap index outperformed a tad bit because that one went home with a cut of just 1.1%. As I said, it was the banking names that were coming under pressure. So HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Mahindra Bank, all added to the pressure on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. And on the flip side, we had names like ONGC, Power Grid, NTPC that were trading higher. In fact, SBI was the other stock from the PSU space that was gaining in trade after the strong Q3 performance, and similar was the case with Tata Steel. On the flip side, FMCG names like Tata Consumer and Britannia came under pressure towards the last few dying minutes of trade and ended at the low point. Apart from that, we saw a whole host of earnings reaction. Indigo was flying away in trade after it reported the profits after 8 quarters. Credit Access Grameen was up around 10-11% after it doubled the profits on a year-on-year basis, and similar was the case with GNFC. Apart from that, we also had Bank of Baroda ending in the green after the asset quality improved for that one. On the flip side, however, we had names like Lupin that were coming under pressure from the broader markets, down about 7% after the management commentary was weak in the conference call on Friday evening. We also had names like Advanced Enzymes as well as Jubilant Pharmova from the pharma space that went home with a cut. Overall, for the Indian markets, we continue to track what's happening in the global markets as well as the impending RBI MPC meet. And apart from that, it continues to be very earnings specific. So overall, a week day of trade. Let's see what tomorrow holds for us.